I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by cutting power. Unplug the blender and remove the jar and blade assembly now, because safety matters. Next, expose the base screws, flip the unit carefully, and use a screwdriver to remove visible fasteners. Keep a container for screws and photograph each step so you know where parts belong. Once done, use an adjustable wrench on any nut retaining the blade hub. Make sure to stabilize the base to prevent slipping and avoid forcing parts. Continue by removing hidden fasteners. Pry up rubber feet or a base cover to find concealed screws and unscrew methodically. Once screws are out, gently separate the motor housing halves. Do this evenly to avoid bending tabs, and look for wiring harness clips. Release them with a small flat tool. After clips are free, lift the motor assembly straight up. At this stage, observe gasket placement and any insulation, because those parts determine reassembly and why the base seals and aligns correctly. Finish by fully detaching the base plate and cleaning the mating surfaces. Remove old gasket residue, because a poor seal causes wobble or leaks. Replace any cracked gasket and reassemble in reverse, tightening screws evenly so the motor sits square. If the base resists removal, try penetrating oil on mounting threads and wait. Do not pry plastic parts aggressively, and instead warm, stubborn, adhesive joints with a hairdryer to soften them. If wiring seems
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.